A California mother don't kill 3 of her small children. And according to matter wey reach me, the woman herself don't come outside, can't talk her because they interview her. She says she drowned them inside water slowly. You understand? They say you know do am forcefully. He drowned them inside the water. Now so these three of them just die. And according to matter wey reach me, she say she and the father of the pikin, they on a serious custody issue. Meaning say they drag who go carry the children, who no go carry the children. And now the reason, according to her, why she killed the children now because she said the man don't do abusing children. So you know what made the children undergo that kind of treatment. And according to her, the senior one, her children, now the senior one, they say the father been they sexually abused the girl. So now the only option where she gets now say okay, because as he stand, you don't know whether she go win the custody, you don't know whether they go give her to the father. So it better not be me. According to her, it better make the children die instead of make the man carry these children go. So the day before she killed these children, where we they talk about that the day where the father supposed go see them. And so the grandmother enter the place. It meets say 3 of them don't die. And she herself been the plan say after she killed them, she go enter motor, go cause her own accident. May everybody, make the matter just end. So I beg, make I know where soon at time. I want make una hear her from the horse's mouth herself. Join me, make we watch the video.
Did you kill your children?
I did. I drowned them. I did it as softly, or I don't know how to explain it, but I hugged them and I kissed them and I was apologizing the whole time. I love my kids.
During the emotional one-on-one interview in both English and Spanish at the Lerdo Kern County Jail facility, k.ill broke down in tears, saying she drowned her children to protect them from their father, with whom she was in a bitter custody dispute. She alleged he was involved in human trafficking.
I don't want them to be further abused. I love my kids. Like I said, I wish that this didn't have to be the case, but I wasn't going to allow. I promised to protect them.
Last month, the children's father asked a court to require k.ill to undergo a mental health evaluation. He also told the LA Times he tried to get help for k.ill from child protective authorities, but added they did not immediately get involved. The father was supposed to see the children Sunday, but the day before, authorities say the children's grandmother discovered the bodies of 3-year-old Joanna, 2-year-old Terry, and 6-month-old Sierra at this apartment in Reseda. Bakersfield prosecutors say later in the day, k.ill's car broke down as she drove through Kern County. When a Good Samaritan stopped to help, she allegedly stole his car.
I tried getting to the top of a cliff so I can drive myself off and die.
But before she could carry that out, she was arrested a couple hours later in Tulare County. Do you regret your actions?
I wish my kids were alive, yes. Do I wish that I didn't have to do that? Yes. But I prefer them not being tortured and abused on a regular basis for the rest of their life.
Now, for the rest of her life, she has accepted she will likely spend it behind bars.
I know that I'm going to be in jail for the rest of my life. That's something that I've come to terms with.
As she comes to terms with that, she says she's also come to terms knowing she will never see her children again. What was your final message to your children?
I love you, and I'm sorry.
The fact say children deserve parents, no mean say all parents deserve children. Very, very important. Because no, see this kind of matter now. You get children. You feel say the best thing na for make these children die. We get many options. So how come? No, I just wonder how come na death this woman first sit down think of. So what happen to running away with the children? You understand? Maybe taking them to a far place where nobody go. If it's possible, self change their identity, change. I don't know. Maybe dye their hair. You understand? They get many. Why people they expose now? They too exposed for this kind of nonsense to happen. Now I don't just understand. You just sit down. You say the best thing, like the best. You think from A to Z. You say the best thing that made these children just die, and now the 3 of them. Things are hard. Things are really, really hard because I'm not just a mother. It says no be this woman born these children because I know you push. Meaning say wait oh, you carry 9 months pregnancy times 3. You just born them to kill them. I know. Hey, this equation itself too hard for me. You born pikin to kill the pikin, so why you born am in the first place? This is a mental issue. I dey suspect say this woman get one psycho wahala for your head. This is mental issue. I bet make una no dey joke with things like this. Oh, I dey wonder how come authorities sef never even notice this thing earlier before now. Because they say they drag this matter since, no be now. So how come they no notice say this woman get something where they disturb her? People dey where they find children. People, no, on a serious note, now some people prayer point. If you not see women, where they cry for one, just one, some of them even go tell you, say, ha, if I forget one, I no care again. You, God bless you with 3. I beg, see, if you not say you know mentally and emotionally stable, no born. Because see, it's not just because you see your period, you are able to conceive, you just give. It's not about that one. If you are not matured mentally, emotionally, because for women, any small thing they don't break down and they know they think far. No born if you're not ready. I beg, no born because you just waste people prayer points. And as for the man, if waiting this woman come outside can't talk now true, I don't know how we go settle this matter. I beg, I don't just know how we will settle this matter because it's very, very important. I made investigate this man. For you today, if not true, you sexually harass your pikin. I'm not just hey, white people too. I think say only for our side this kind of thing happen. I think say only our side this kind of thing they happen. When man they abuse, they raping pikin, even white. Una way according to una daytime 7 times exposed than us. I don't know, but if white people sabi their work by now, they suppose don't look inside this matter. If this man need to be arrested, make they arrest him. If the woman too, automatically that woman should go there arrested because you know if you just waste people life like that. For the first time you bring them come this world, no me say now you go kill them. Because in the first place, not be you bring them safe. Person, somebody, somewhere, put them inside your this thing. And you decide say you go take away their lives. This woman is really sick, oh. She's really, no, are they serious? She's, no, when I watch the video, see how she even the sound. I kill them. I drown them. Slowly. If you even think this is safe, I bet I know they support violence, but make we look at from the aspect say the man they sexually abusing children. Because I even hear say cocaine even they involved. Oh yeah. Why not take away the man's life? No, I know they support, now just question. If the thing don't do you, you don't even know what to do again, why not take away the thing that is disturbing you instead of the children? I don't know whether this thing they happen for abroad, but I for suggest say this children spirit, may they start they hunt this woman. When I know as if they happen for Africa magic. I don't know whether abroad they get our type of spirit, but may these children start they hunt them, even as she dey prison. I bet make we dey careful, because make we dey very careful. And now why good to always they talk to people? If something they worry you, talk to person before you go and do something where tomorrow now no solution fit come out of that thing. Any asha now the matter be this, and any other updates of how long she go dey in prison, or whether na death sentence, or whether na by hanging or anything, now for here una go still get her. So I beg share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen and they go dey careful because it can happen to anybody. And don't forget to subscribe if you never subscribe so that you know go dey miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.